Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to download AliExpress product videos. Firstly, open your Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for the AliExpress video downloader extension or click Add to Chrome. After installation, a welcome page will appear. You can close it, it's not necessary. Now click on the puzzle icon in your browser's toolbar and find the AliExpress video downloader in the list and click the pin icon. Once pinned, the icon will turn blue, making it always accessible. Now navigate to the AliExpress product page containing the video and click the extension icon in the toolbar. Now the extension will detect the video on the page. Just click on video in the extension pop-up, choose download, and the video will be saved to your device. This tool is especially useful for sellers who want to display product videos on customers or for personal use to preview items offline. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.